The future of sustainable cities relies heavily on the integration of smart technologies and innovative urban planning strategies. As the global population continues to urbanize at an unprecedented rate, it becomes increasingly crucial to create urban environments that are both livable and environmentally responsible. Here are some key aspects of how smart technologies and urban planning will shape the sustainable cities of the future. Efficient transportation, smart mobility. The future of transportation in sustainable cities involves the widespread adoption of electric and autonomous vehicles, ride-sharing services, and improved public transportation systems. These technologies can reduce congestion, lower emissions, and enhance overall mobility. Infrastructure integration. Smart cities will incorporate intelligent transportation systems that optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and improve safety. This includes using real-time data to manage traffic lights, monitor road conditions, and offer route recommendations to commuters. Energy efficiency. Renewable energy. Sustainable cities will heavily rely on renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal power. Buildings and infrastructure will be designed to maximize energy efficiency and incorporate energy-saving technologies. Smart grids. Smart grids will enable cities to efficiently distribute electricity, monitor energy consumption in real time, and respond to demand fluctuations. This reduces waste and enhances the reliability of energy supplies. Waste management. Waste reduction. Sustainable cities will prioritize waste reduction through recycling programs, composting, and waste-to-energy technologies. Smart bins equipped with sensors can optimize waste collection routes and schedules. Circular economy. Urban planning will promote a circular economy, encouraging the reuse and recycling of materials and products to minimize waste generation and promote sustainability. Urban planning. Mixed-use development. Future cities will emphasize mixed-use zoning, reducing the need for long commutes and encouraging residents to live closer to their workplaces and essential services. Green spaces. The integration of green spaces and urban parks into city planning enhances air quality, provides recreational opportunities, and promotes biodiversity within urban areas. Data and IoT integration. Big data. Cities will collect and analyze vast amounts of data from IoT devices and sensors to make informed decisions about resource allocation, traffic management, and emergency response. Predictive analytics. Machine learning and AI will be used to predict and respond to various urban challenges, such as traffic congestion, air quality issues, and energy demand fluctuations. Community engagement, inclusivity. Sustainable urban planning will prioritize social equity and inclusivity, ensuring that all residents have access to essential services and opportunities for participation in decision-making processes. Education and awareness. Communities will be engaged through educational programs and public awareness campaigns to promote sustainable behaviors and responsible resource use. Resilience and climate adaptation. Climate-resilient infrastructure. Cities will invest in infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather events and rising sea levels, ensuring the long-term viability of urban areas in the face of climate change. Disaster preparedness. Smart technologies will enhance disaster preparedness and response, helping cities mitigate the impacts of natural disasters. Regulation and policy. Regulatory frameworks. Governments and local authorities will play a critical role in shaping sustainable cities through policies that encourage green building practices, renewable energy adoption, and sustainable transportation. In conclusion, the future of sustainable cities will revolve around the integration of smart technologies and innovative urban planning approaches. By leveraging data, technology, and forward-thinking policies, cities can become more efficient, resilient, and environmentally friendly while improving the overall quality of life for their residents.